Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add social media links to your YouTube video descriptions. Let's dive right in. Let's take this video as an example. When we scroll down to the description part, you'll see that some links. To add a social media link to your YouTube video description, first go to YouTube Studio from your browser. Here, you have two options. You can add links to a single video or to all your videos. For a single video, click on Content, then select the video you want to add the link to and click on Details. Next, copy your social media link from your browser, and paste it into the description box of the video. Remember to include https://. Click on Save. If you want to add social media links to all your upcoming videos, go back and click on Settings. Next, select Upload Defaults. Here, you can add your social media links in the description box. Any links added here will automatically appear in the descriptions of all your new videos. So, when you upload a new video, these links will be included automatically. And that's how you add social media links to your YouTube video descriptions. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. And see you next time.